Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to upload a short video to YouTube. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your YouTube application on your device. Okay, and then click on the plus icon at the bottom corner of your screen. Then click on create a short. Okay, now tap on your gallery. Okay, this one. Now you have to choose a video that you want to upload, a short video. So that one, you can also trim the video. Okay, like that. And then after that, just click on done. And then wait for it to process. Okay, this will take a couple of seconds. Okay, now click on the check icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you can also add a sound or text to your short video. So just click on sound and then choose the sound that you want to use or add a text. Then right after that, now you can just click on next and then add a caption to your short video. So we're going to put it chill. And then right after that, just click on upload short. And then after that, your short video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.